Hello, I'm Maiko, and we are Hoopy. Hoopy is a safe and smart parental control app for children's first smartphone. Many children are addicted to using smart devices, and most of the time they use it for activities which do not contribute to learning or growth. This in turn makes parents afraid that their children are not developing enough. And the problem is biggest among parents whose children are going to school and need smartphone to be in contact with their parents. In Estonia, there are more than 15,000 children who go to school every year, and in the UK, the number is more than 600,000. So, the solution to the problem is an Android application which creates a limited environment on child's smartphone and allows parents to set daily limits for different app categories. When the child uses the device, Hoopy asks periodically questions from various subjects. When answers are correct, the child gets extra time. When answers are wrong, Hoopy recommends educational applications based on the results. The intended activity could be continued after the child has answered all questions. And when daily time limits have been exceeded, the child has access to only phone and messages. The business model of Hoopy is freemium. Free version includes app management, time management, and periodical questions. We charge parents monthly fee when they want to get access to app recommendations and to have remote control for controlling child's device from their own smartphone. There are many parental control apps on the market, but none of them focuses on learning, and most of them have poor user experience. We have a team of experienced people with necessary skills to build the product. And our main go-to market strategy is through mobile operators. And in Estonia, we are already negotiating with Telia. We have also introduced the idea to Pascal Demoule, who is currently Chief Partnership Officer at Deezer. And he will help us to open doors of mobile operators all around the world. And the NetTech expert Marika Kukasniemi, who has been learning coordinator for Angry Birds Playground, will help us with educational content. So if you know any primary school teacher who could be interested in working at a startup, please let us know. Thank you for your attention, and I'm open to your questions.
Yes. Thank you. Just a question, how do you manage the children's frustration, where they get frustrated and they will start annoying their parents?
At first, we give them some extra time if they answer correctly. But of course, children get frustrated. But it's parents' choice what they do with their child. Do they want to put more effort on developing the child, or let the child be the child and act with his or her own brains?
Thanks.
In terms of locations, you mentioned you're going to start in Estonia. What about other countries? Do you see, like, what's your go-to market geographically?
We think that Estonia is the first, then UK, and then the world.
Will you develop the educational content yourself, or will you outsource it? And if so, how to categorize it?
Currently, we have a partnership, or we have discussed with Marika Kukasniemi and their company Kogoa from Finland, and they are a digital educational agency. And they will help us to create the initial content, but as I asked, we need someone who is primary school teacher and just to help us. It's nothing complicated. It's from the book, and you just enter the questions to the system. Yeah. Any questions?
No more questions. If not, then let's.